Hello, how you choosing? Hopefully you're choosing well. Oh yeah. Today, today, I have some life advice for you. It doesn't matter how old you are, the youngest person watching this video to the oldest person watching this video. I got some life advice to you that is really, really good advice. Are y'all ready? Are you ready for the advice? It's so good.
Yo, hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown. Hello, Mr. Brown.
Here's the advice. Are you listening? Look, put both your ears, turn both your ears on. Not just one ear, turn both your ears on. Because this life advice will change your life. Now, it is just as good as my main statement that when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Now, here's the advice. Enjoy your life and eat burnt cookies. Woo, that's some good stuff. That's some great advice. I'm serious. Enjoy your life and eat burnt cookies. If you don't believe me, watch this. I walked in the kitchen today and I smelled the smell. Somehow they're making cookies for lunch, fresh homemade cookies, but the oven got too hot. It was too hot. And so the cookies end up my complexion. So they're a little darker than they normally should be. On the back, they're kind of burnt. I still think they look edible and pretty good. So Sophia's gonna be the first to try. Sophia's not gonna try the cookie, but I ain't scared of no burnt cookie. I wouldn't even call it burnt. I would call it blackened, darkened, extra seasoned. So I'm gonna eat this cookie, even though it looks kind of, let's see how it tastes. Not bad.
It's horrible.
Try it. Just try it. Just try it.
No, it looks horrible.
Just try it, Sophia. Here you go.
No.
I'll give you $2 if you try it.
Really?
Yep.
No, you're not. You're good.
$2. I'll give you $2. Try it. A monopoly money, but try it. Did you try it?
No.
Come on, try it.
If you give me $2 real dollars.
$2 real, the deal.
It's burnt.
I knew it was burnt, but not that bad. Oh yeah.
It tastes like ashes. Try it. He'll give me $2.
Mommy tried it.
He'll give me $2.
I didn't say him. I give him $2. You got $2? Yeah, I'll give you Sophia's $2. You want to try it? All right, Daddy will try it for you. Watch. You don't want Daddy to try it? I think they're good. I mean, they're not delicious.
Taste like ashes.
They're not delicious, but... You want to break it in half for you? Got it?
Without a mess.
How do you think?
They taste like ashes, people.
What do you think? Evan, what do you think?
Seems like he likes them.
Now, you really don't have to eat burnt cookies. My point is this. Things won't always be perfect in life, but make the most of them. My daughter did eat the cookie, and I thought the cookies were pretty good. They tasted pretty good. Even though they were a little darkened, I had to change my mindset, my perspective on those cookies. And even my son, he was so smart. He didn't want to taste the burnt part, but he made the best of the cookie. He ate the top part. See, listen, life won't be perfect. No, life will have problems, but the question is, how will you respond to those problems? Will you complain about it? Will you throw a fit? Throw a tantrum? Because that doesn't help anything. Take a deep breath and think, how can I enjoy this life? How can I make the most of this opportunity, even if it's not the best? I want you to think about that. Maybe have a discussion among your friends, maybe with your family. What do you think about Mr. Brown's advice? Enjoy your life and eat burnt cookies. Think about it. And hopefully you choose well. Oh yeah.